Welcome back. It's time to start with Flashback 4. But before we get to those 4 questions, let's take a look at the 10 frames near the top. What number does this represent? 18. Excellent. Why don't you pause here, and then when you're ready, come back, and I'll give you the answers to Flashback 4. Question 1. How many cupcakes? 40. Question 2. Which bottle contains more juice? A or B? A. Question 3. Complete the sentence using shorter or longer. The blue line is longer than the red line. And question 4. Add 3 and 8 together. 11. Okay, I think you're ready for the next lesson. Today, we're going to learn about making equal groups, or grouping. Oh, look at all these little baby frogs. How many frogs are there? There are 12 frogs. Now, they want us to place these frogs into groups of 4. So let's give them a log to sit on. Now, we need to place 4 frogs on this log. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. We have one group of 4 frogs. Oh, but we have lots of baby frogs left. Let's place another log and get 4 more frogs to sit on that log. Done. Oh, it looks like we need 1 more log. Off you go, baby frogs. Oh, they look so happy. We have 4 frogs on each of the logs. That kind of rhymes. So what do we know? We know that there are 3 groups with 4 frogs in each group. We've just made equal groups. Did you know that grouping is easier if you make rows and columns? Right now, these frogs have scattered back all over the place. Let's ask them to get into rows and columns, shall we? Off you go, frogs. Wow, look at them go. Well done. Now, how many groups of 3 are there? Can you see groups of 3 frogs? Let's find out how many there are. Here's 1 group of 3, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. There are 4 groups of 3. Did you see how much easier that was when the frogs are in rows and columns? Yeah, me too. And here are our frogs in rows and columns. Because remember, grouping is easier if you make rows and columns. There's still 12 frogs. But how many groups of 6 are there? Well, let's group them. Let's put 6 frogs in one group. There. There's one group. And there's 2 groups. So, there are 2 groups of 6. Oh, wow. That's a lot of beanbags. How many are there? Did you count them? Did you get 15? Yes, there are 15 beanbags all together. Are they in rows and columns? No. But it wants to know how many equal groups and how many beanbags are in each group. Well, this reminds me of a game. I could throw a hoop around them. There's a group, one group with 3 beanbags. Can you see another group of 3 beanbags? Yep, there's one. And another? Oh yeah. Great. How many equal groups have I made? Yes, there are 5 equal groups. But there are 5 equal groups of how many beanbags? How many beanbags are in each group? Right. There are 3. So we can say that there are 5 equal groups of 3 beanbags. Why don't you pause here? Have a go at the questions about making equal groups on your sheet.